Good morning. Today it's Kylie and Joe.
Good morning, Harley. Good morning, everybody.
Today is the 1st of February. Pinching a punch.
Yeah, pinching a punch. February already.
Yeah. So, the All Lords, it's nice to see a little bit of a recovery, but let's not dilly-dally on that. Let's just get straight into some scans. I'm finding every chart looks like this at the moment.
Yes, same.
So I'm going to do my usual scan today. Now I think I'd like to bring up that we've got most stocks. No, that's having a bit of a hissy fit. Most stocks are doing what the All Lords were doing, and quite frankly, it's nice to see everything coming back to what they were. So I think really what you're looking for now is a higher high, higher low kind of scenario as your entry to get back in. So let's have a look. At AXE, first of all, that's gapped up. So we're back to where we were before our little dip. So we need to wait now to see what this does. It's left a gap behind. We need to... Right now, there's to me no confirmation of whether that's going to go up or down. Yeah, it's left a gap. It may come back and fill that. We really wanted to see it find a level and then break that. So that's watch this space. Beach. Now, this is an interesting one. I had a triangle drawn back here. If we extend that across, people will call that a saucer cup and handle. I can't see that. It's not your typical, but it does represent a mini saucer here. That has been the dip that we've just seen in the All Lords. It's come back to that level. So a close above $1.50 would look pretty good to me. You've then got that gap there to look at. So it's worth keeping an eye on. HHHL, again, it's the same scenario. It really is. Again, you're always wanting some confirmation of whether this stock is going to keep going up or going down. So this is where we're coming in with the high, 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 low situation. If no one understands what that is, you need to get, this is a high. You haven't actually had a lower high yet. So that would be your, it's probably not a good example. I'll try and explain an example when we see one.
Or maybe we could just do a high, low scan.
We'll do that, yes. Frank has gone over in the past. Now, I haven't been following this. Clearly, there was some bad news. The announcement wasn't very good. And now whatever they're doing has increased in interest. So really unsure of what's happening. Only from a chart perspective, that has done a lot. So for me, again, I need confirmation. If it can hang around this level where it gapped down to and then break that, I like the look of that. And you've got this gap up here that it would be looking perhaps to fill. So too early to say right now. Again, not sure what's happened here, probably news takeover, I'm not sure. So again, not enough information to make a decision. LPI Lithium was the favourite, had a big run. This is that dip we saw in the All Lords. It's now recovering. So again, wait and see what it's going to do. Look for a high, 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 low formation. Same with MGR. PH2, again, coming back to its levels previous. So high, 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 low. Yeah, and this is what we're seeing. That one hasn't recovered so well. SWM back to its previous levels. So it's nice to see things moving back. And now we're just waiting for an actual buy confirmation. This looks really great along 85 cents. Again, I'd like it to move that way and then break above it. So that's on that. So a high, 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 low
do
scan.
In Frank's absence. He normally does his high, 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 low. And I think there's some good ones that have come on that today.
My computer's having a bit of a fluff about, so we'll cancel it there. We've got 14 to go through. Not great. I don't like the OBV or volume on this, so we'll move on.
Yep.
This is an interesting one. I do like this kick in OBV here. It hasn't, as Frank would talk about, a significant low. This isn't, but it has been moving down trend for 6 months. It's now been moving sideways since December, so you've got a month's worth there. So it's quite a nice sideways move. It's not a typical high, 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 low pattern, but it's a nice sideways move there. But again, the same, what it's looking at is that's your high, that's your lower high, that's now a higher high. Unfortunately, what's happened is with the dip in the All Ords, it's created a lower high. So what it needs to do is build back to here, have now a higher low and break through. So that's what we mean by a high, 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 low. BCN, no, that doesn't look any good. This is very interesting. I do like Blue Energy. That is a really great OBV tick. You've definitely, that is from, looks like a significant low. We're putting more data in. Okay, that's a significant low back here. So if we're looking at this, it's not true of a significant low, but if we're going to look in the last 12 months, you've got it. It's not great, but this is really is explaining what we want to see some of the stocks doing that have dipped. You've got your higher high, higher low, and it's having another go. What would be ideal if it comes back, fills that gap, and then goes for another run? Yeah. But nice level at 6 cents. Not very good. I'd move on. That's... it's okay, I've seen better. And even that, you can see what it's doing, high, 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 low. Looks like your target would be 47.5 cents of a break of 42.5. So you've got, what's that, 5 cents. What's your risk reward? I guess that's when I'd start looking at where your stop would be, which would be down at probably this level here. So you're risking, again, like 4.5 cents to make 5. So to me, the risk reward isn't so great on that. Yep. NML, not bad. That was a good, nice break there. That was looking pretty strong. We've had this lemon fluff about with the All Ords. It's coming back to that level. 10 cents is going to be, even probably 10.5 cents is what you're looking at. So probably put that in your watch list. Not really, no. Meh. No, I just don't like the look of it. This is, to me, still in a downtrend. No, that's not too bad. That was a nice sort of breakthrough here. It did a lot though. Pulling back, another high through there would look good. You've got a gap up to here. Again, look at your risk reward ratio on that one. If you're looking at it, it's all right. There's a few, but few to put on your watch list, I think, at the moment, just to see where things are going to go. But looking for those high, 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 low patterns would be the way forward, I think. Any questions?
Yeah. No, that's no. Thanks for that, Kylie. That's very good. As per usual, if you're interested in having a look at the software a little closer, email me directly, joe@protrader.com.au. Joe, that's just J-O. That's it.
All right. Thanks, guys. We'll chat tomorrow.
Bye.